Alright guys, we're going to make a quick video of the status of the booth. I've got plenty of camp ovens. Got a spotter over there, some assorted just pots and stuff. Piece of a combo. We'll move over here. We've got some bread pans. We've got some griddles, a pizza pan, different stuff. We're going to move down into the lodge territory, which we've got some of the, advertisers, some of the Heritage Series, Snowflake, and then we go to this wall, which we've got some big BSR, some Griswolds, got some Lodge Bold, got a diffuser, got some older Lodge, got some Ozark, some Blacklock in the middle, and then we've got over here some of the Lodge different baking pans, some more Griswold. And down here we've got a stack of 8 SKs, stack of 9 SKs, which I've got to move that stuff, stack of 10 SKs. And then we've got some old Lodge 3-notch stack, some 10s stack. Then we got mostly 8s up here, then got 7s down on that row, and then a whole bunch of 6s down there. And now we'll move over to the next. Here's the lineup of the different Wagners, different sizes, all marked some Vollrath. Now we go up here, we've got a griddle, we've got a hibachi little eggplant looking Dutch oven, got a little Dutch oven there, got some 5s, got a little goldfish candle, got more 5s and more 5s, and we've got a couple of 6s down there, some aluminum. On the bottom we got some grill pans, round and square, whatever you want. And then we got some fryers and some woks on this row. And then we come up here, we got some big 12s Dutch ovens. Then we've got a regular size 8, and then we got another 10 back there. Got 8 here. Got some Wagners in the middle, got some BSRs to the right. Then we come over here, we've got some just odds and ends, scale, some ABI9 minis. Go down to this one, we've got some more little stoves, little bitty pans, a lot of Turk head stuff. And we drop down again, we got a grinder back there. We've got a wagon, some sad irons, little stoves, a sad iron heater. And then down here, some more little baking pans. And finish off with a roaster made of aluminum. So there it is, guys. Y'all have a great day.